Y'all, I got scammed. Welcome to the city of Los Angeles, where everyone comes to be a star. With these gas prices, you won't get far. Homes are high, and they say we're about to be in a recession. Let me show you guys how I make extra money and avoid depression. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase out the new deals year round. If you're new here, I'm Taffy. I go to estate sales, yard sales, Goodwill bins, practically anywhere where I can buy anything for low and sell it for high. In today's video, I'm in Bahamas, and I decided to tell y'all a story about what just happened to me. At first, I was kind of like, I didn't want to share it, to be honest. I was embarrassed. I'm like, this can't happen to me because I sold online for years, but I figured maybe this story could help someone else. So sit tight, grab some water, and let's go. I'm going to take y'all with me on this go-kart. So we're going to see some scenery and hear story time. Oh my God, do you guys see that spider? Oh my God. For those of you that may be new to my channel, let me give you some backstory. I've been selling on eBay for over 15 years. I had a cell phone store for about 12 years, and I recently closed it down back in 2020. And since then, I've been reselling part-time. Anything I could basically get my hands on. You know, Facebook Marketplace recently just started, so I started selling on there. I've been making big sales, snowboards, purses, TVs, VCRs. I've been selling a lot of items for a large amount of money, and I haven't had any problems. So, you know, what's the saying? If it's not broke, don't fix it. Yeah, that's the saying, right? But since I can remember, I've always had the latest iPhone. Every year, I will upgrade. That's how I do it. I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. I will pay outright for the phone, cash price, and then when the new one came out, I'll unlock my old one and I'll resell that one out the country or online on eBay or something. So then when I'm paying for the new one, technically I'm not paying as much. So I've been doing that for years on top of years. This year was no different. I figured, hey, I put it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Since I've been selling on Facebook Marketplace, I haven't had any issues. So I listed it on there. I get a buyer. He asked a few questions like, hey, is it unlocked, blah, blah, blah. I answered them, and I'm like, okay. So I shipped the phone out. That was back in, let me give you I want y'all to have the exact time frame. February of this year. Keep that in mind. I shipped this phone out in February. Current day is August 23rd. Let me get back on this cart. Let's go to the beach. I'm going to tell the rest of this story. Okay, you guys, so it was too windy at the beach, so I can't tell the story there. So I'm back in the cart, and don't mind me if I'm sweating. It's hot out here, but it's the scenery is so nice. I had to do the video out here. Okay, so yes, so I sold the iPhone. It was iPhone 12 Pro back in February, and I sold it for a total of $1,089. And I have a business account on Facebook Marketplace, so I didn't have to pay any fees because they're running a promotion. So I sold it back in February, no issues. So I'm continuing to sell things on Facebook Marketplace. And mind you, I've been selling a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm used to the weekly deposits that's coming into my account. It's like clockwork. And I'm not making an excuse for myself, but it is only me that run my business. But I should have been aware of what was about to happen. So a week or 2 weeks that went by, and I'm like, where's my deposits on Facebook Marketplace? Because I'm shipping items out constantly, but I haven't got a deposit.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
So I go through my email and it says chargeback. I'm like, chargeback? For what?
Boy, that escalated quickly.
The iPhone, y'all. The iPhone that the guy ordered, he did a chargeback. He said he didn't authorize this purchase. Sir, I have messages between us and everything. But at this point, I'm pissed because I'm like, chargeback? Like, who does that? Like, I'm like, okay, you know, eBay, they got you covered. I'm looking for Facebook for a contact number. I can't find no contact number. So I contact customer support via Messenger. We're talking. I'm gonna show you guys those messages. But I'm getting frustrated because I feel like I'm talking to a freaking robot. Like they're repeating the same things. Like they're not giving me an answer that I needed. So I'm like, calm down, because if you're gonna get this solved, you have to be calm. You can't get anything, you know, resolved. Frustrated. So I'm emailing them, messaging back and forth. They're like, oh, it's still under review. That's back in April. I'm like, okay. They said give them a little more time. It takes time. They said it could take up to 105 days. I said, huh? 105 days before I get my money? So the thing is, as I'm selling items on Facebook Marketplace, they're keeping my money until it reaches to that $1,000. Once I surpass that $1,000, I'm gonna start getting my money again. By this point, I don't want to sell with you guys because I don't feel like I can rely on you guys. You guys aren't, you know, supporting the seller. And you clearly see that this guy was messaging me before he bought this iPhone. Let me reach out to this buyer. I go to reach out to the buyer, y'all. His Facebook account is deleted. I said, no, this is not happening to me. This is not happening to me, y'all. His Facebook is gone. His name was Indiana something. I'm gonna put on this screen. It was Indiana something. So I'm like, so then I messaged Facebook again. It's May. I'm like, hey, I know y'all said it's gonna take a certain amount of days, but this person has deleted their Facebook account. Just letting you know right then and there that is fraud. They're like, oh, we still have to go through with the bank. Can you still wait with us? June come. I'm like, what's up? It's still under review. What? What do you mean it's still under review? This person doesn't have a Facebook account anymore. They have my phone, and I'm out of the money. So I'm like, you know what? Breathe. May, June, July. They keep telling me it's still under review. Facebook. How long is this going to be under review? It is now August. Let me show y'all. August 22nd. And I still don't have my $1,000 back. They keep telling me to hold on. They don't have a contact number. I do not want this to happen to nobody else. You can sell on Facebook Marketplace, but I don't know, high limit items like iPhones, I wouldn't list on there because Facebook does not support you at all. It's been too long and I ain't got my money back. And it's like, I'm hoping they see this video and we could come to some kind of resolution, and then I will repost an updated video. As of right now, I have not got my $1,000 back. And now, you know, I'm gonna be honest, the new iPhone is coming out, y'all, and I want that. But I know that I cannot sell my 13 Pro on Facebook Marketplace because there's a high chance that you're gonna get scammed. It's like, I could do it on eBay. I should have stuck with eBay. I'm not gonna sit on here and try to throw Facebook Marketplace under the bus because I've made thousands. I've made more than I've lost on there. But it's the principle. Like, you guys have not supported me at all with this $1,000. You keep telling me to hold on. How long could I hold on? But comment down below. Have this ever happened to any of you guys, like on Facebook Marketplace? Has there been any issues you guys had? Because this is not sitting well with me at all. Because it's just crazy, Facebook. Y'all gotta get it together. Y'all wanna be one of the top reselling platforms, but y'all not supporting the sellers. Y'all know he got that iPhone. Y'all see the messages. Y'all see the delivered. Why haven't I got my money back? Hold on. I'm gonna talk some more about it, but I'm gonna show y'all some more of the beautiful island and I can calm down. Because me thinking about it, I'm like, you know what?
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me.
Comment down below. Do y'all need to have every new iPhone that come out? Like, I'm a gadget queen. Look, I got the GoPro on right here. I got the Sony ZV-1 in my hand. Like, I don't know. I love electronics. Facebook, contact me. Let's get this resolved. My email's below. Call Call me on the phone. Let's get this resolved ASAP. So then I can make an updated video. All right. I hope this video was very entertaining, informative. Ooh. Y'all seen that bee? To the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTY, yeah.